Hi, I'm Deepa Homa, Executive Vice President, Global Human Resources at Rheem Manufacturing, and I'm here with a special 100th anniversary edition of Rheem Perspectives. Our history as a company informs the mission ahead of us. People want to know the Rheem story because it shows the building blocks of success, how our strategy has worked for us as it has evolved over the past 100 years. I think people are also very keen to see how those who came before them at Rheem are not unlike themselves. Since the start, we've been a company with a pioneering spirit and a passion for innovation. We still look for those qualities when we hire people around the world, knowing that together we all have a stake in Rheem's future. We work to connect our more than 15,000 employees to this major milestone in our company's history. We posted videos from CEO Chris Peel on our global intranet, translated into all our regional languages to unify our people around where we've been and where we're going. We curated a Rheem museum of historical imagery and product samples that trace back our presence over the last 100 years. The museum was first unveiled at this year's Pro Partner International Conference, the company's biggest to date. We activated teams around the world in all our regions and all our businesses to plan events and parties that celebrate our centennial, like in our Fort Smith facility, which unveiled a wall mural highlighting Rheem's impact on that community. Team members there will also celebrate with a picnic during this anniversary week. Our team in Montgomery, Alabama is celebrating an official proclamation announced by the state legislature commemorating Rheem Manufacturing's 100th anniversary. Employees in offices around the world are watching the Next Talk series that highlights Rheem's strategic pillars of excellence. Supporting all our activities has been the unifying theme. Next starts now. People get it. There's an energy here. It's in our DNA. That being, progress doesn't happen by resting on our wins. Every day, we come to work determined to win again. Another way we've connected our global employees has been through the launch of a brand refresh with a new look, a new feel, and a new tagline, Engineered for Life. We would not be who we are today without the culturally diverse employee base that brings us the necessary perspectives of the regions in which we do business. From a very practical standpoint, our people around the world know their markets better than anyone else. They know their customers, their consumers, and how cultural norms inform how you do business. From an organizational standpoint, building a work culture is far more rich and exciting when it brings together the diverse voices of people from different backgrounds, experiences, and identities. And we understand that to sustain a culture of respect and collaboration at Rheem, we must welcome those differences to the table. Happy 100. 100 sure looks good on you.